Hi Pisces, welcome back to your love reading. So today I have spread 6 cards after asking 6 different questions to these spirit guides in order to get some messages regarding your love life. So Pisces, if there's someone in your mind right now whom you love but with whom you have not been able to express your emotions, then here are certain advices, here are certain revelations regarding yourself as well as your person and how you should be moving ahead in this connection. Okay, so let us get started with your reading, Pisces. So first we are going to start excuse me, with this question to the divine regarding how you feel about yourself. And in order to answer this question, the first card that has come out is the devil card. Okay, Pisces, you are feeling that the temptation of a certain relationship or of a certain person. Okay, maybe somebody who was with you in the past or somebody whom you are seeing right now in your surrounding is too hard to resist. You are finding it too hard to resist the thought of somebody is constantly in your mind. Okay, it's almost addictive for you, Pisces. It's all right, nothing wrong with it, because when we really want someone, it is natural. Okay, so what you are required to do at this situation, Pisces, is to practice temperance a little bit. You're supposed to definitely subside these feelings of temptation, these obsessive thoughts about this person. Although love is a good feeling, and you indulging yourself in somebody's thought is not in any terms a negative thing. However, it should not affect your day-to-day life, day-to-day work, daily endeavors that you are supposed to pursue. It should not be affected by this person's thoughts or feelings. So have a little check upon yourself regarding just how much time you spend thinking about this person. Okay, so card number 2 is going to reveal what you want most right now. And in order to answer this question, the card that has come is the Judgment. It seems like, Pisces, you are finding yourself trapped a little bit because you are obsessively thinking about this person, but then there has to be some sort of barrier which you cannot cross easily. And that is why you have been holding back for so long, that you are thinking about this person day and night. However, now what you want the most is the Judgment, which means that you most want at this time to close this chapter in your life. Maybe there is certain toxic tie which you want to end and have a brand new beginning. Definitely, Pisces, the sense that I'm getting over here is that there is some ex with whom you are mm, not exactly in contact, but then about whom you are still thinking, and you really want to cut the cord completely and you want a brand new beginning. Or for some of you, maybe you are thinking obsessively about this individual who is in your surrounding, and you are thinking about this person, but you want this obsession to end, and you actually want a new beginning with this individual. You don't just want to have these good thoughts in your mind, but you want to experience it in your real life. Okay, 333, when I said that, probably it is the time for that. So basically, Pisces, what you're doing right now is you have left the decision upon divine. You are asking the universe to help you. Probably you are trying to practice certain art of manifestation as well. All right, so card number 3 is going to reveal about your fears, and your fear is the Emperor. Okay, you are sensing that success is just around the corner. You sometimes feel like, oh, it might just happen tomorrow. Okay, that is how you feel at times, but then at other times you feel like, oh, it is also out of reach. Okay, so sometimes you yourself are in this energy of the Emperor, who knows how to rule his empire, who has all the strategies and visions and plans, but then the next moment you feel like the obstacles are huge. Okay, additionally, it could mean that you are dealing with an Aries, or you are dealing with a boss kind of figure, or maybe somebody who is greater in your hierarchy at your workplace. This reveals that it could be a workplace situation as well, because the Emperor is the entrepreneur, the boss, a business owner, maybe somebody who has a company, somebody quite prominent. Okay, so that is why you are concerned. You feel like it's a little bit of a mismatch when it comes to the hierarchy, the social hierarchy to which you both belong. So probably you are seeing that as your obstacle, but then yeah, in your fear, the emperor energy. Okay, so card number 4 is going to tell us what is going in your favor, and what is going in your favor is the magician card. Okay, so which means that you could be dealing with a Gemini, but at the same time, um magician if magician is what is going in your favor, then definitely you are having this energy of the magician. You are capable of making use of all the tools around you in order to manifest this love into your life. If this individual is around you, you just have to take one step, and the next 9 steps will be taken by the divine for you. So you just need to put that intention, you just need to keep on focusing, your eyes have to be on the prize. So all that you need to do is focus, okay, and make use remain alert of the things which you can do in order to move this connection ahead, basically. Okay, so if you are considering of a start of this new relationship, you will find self belief, confidence, and ingenuity to make it a success. Okay, Pisces. So, probably you will be able to do that, and probably you will be enjoying this new love in the near future. Okay, so card number 5, what is going against you? Okay, so what is going against you, Pisces, is the Fool card, which means that be aware of the impetus and impulsive decisions. Okay, which means that the Fool card, what does it represent? It represents taking a leap of faith, but when it comes as the card that is going against you, then definitely you are not supposed to take hasty decisions. You are supposed to think twice before taking any step forward, because you never know what lies ahead of you. Okay, so draw on your knowledge and experience, basically. Okay, perhaps there are naive and immature beliefs behind your current desires, so check upon your desire. Why is it exactly that you want this thing, or that you want this love, that you want this individual? Are you being driven by something spiritual or something materialistic? Probably somebody needed to hear this. Maybe this message is not for all of you, but definitely choose wisely and take steps forward only after thinking twice. Okay, so card number 6, it's going to reveal the likely outcome, and the likely outcome is the wheel of fortune. Wow, expect your life to change, and that too quickly, because when the wheel of fortune moves towards your favor, then the changes are fast, and changes are drastic, and changes are good. By drastic, I mean to say drastically good. Okay, so it also represents Jupiter energy, so fate, destiny, and synchronicity. Call it what you like, but positive change and good fortune is evident here, very much evident here. Okay, Pisces, nobody can stop the blessings which are heading your way, because the divine is doing it, because you have faith so much, you have put so much of faith upon the universe, which was revealed by the card of judgment. Universe is now rewarding you. It seems like in the past, whatever happened to you, you have handled such situation very wisely, and you have been able to persevere, and that is why this blessing is coming along your way. You have always made correct decisions for yourself. Those important choices have always been correct for you. You have been trusting your intuition, and that is why things are coming along your way the way you want. Okay, so congratulations on receiving this love blessing from the universe. All right, Pisces, so this is the reading for you. Until the time we meet again, I love you so much.